Greetings, folks. It's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I'm at the Osburn booth, and I want to talk to you guys about these andirons because we've had quite a few questions of like, what are these and how do they function? So this is the brand new Gusto model here, and behind me is also the Inspire model. Both of these wood stoves, well, this wood stove and wood cook stove by Osburn, are both going to come standard with these andirons, and I want to talk a little bit about that. So actually any Osburn stove, which is going to have the 2.3 or the 4.5 firebox, so the Inspire, the Gusto, and any of the larger Osburn wood stove models are going to come standard with these andirons, and this is a requirement because of the testing. So what these are is they go inside the firebox here, and I'm going to show you guys actually how to install them because I have a ton of questions about this. So you will actually need to take out your front two bricks to be able to do this. Now your bottom bricks, the side ones do sit on top of them, so I just want to show you how this is going to look. So you'll actually take this brick out here, and then this goes into the bottom, okay? So you can see this, and then you're going to slide your brick back into place here, and this keeps the log from rolling forward. You can go ahead and see that. So I'll bring you guys up close so you can see the footage. So I'm going to show you guys this andiron up close so you can see this. This is what your andiron looks like, okay? And this is how we're putting it into the firebox. Now, a couple of things I want to point out. You can see this gap here. These bricks sit on top of the bottom ones. So when you pull out your bottom brick, which is how this is going to fit in here like this, essentially you're going to need to have someone else here to pull this up, hold it, and then slide this bottom brick into place. I'm holding a camera, so I can't quite do it with my own two hands. And that is how your andiron, which looks like this, on your Osburn is going to be installed into the firebox. Now what this does is this is going to keep any logs from rolling forward and hitting your glass. If you find these videos helpful, informational, and educational, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.